One of the really cool aspects of our job here at 3D Auto Repair is we get a lot of people that prefer to bring their classic muscle cars in to get front end alignments. Being that I have over 30 years of experience doing front end alignments, specifically on muscle cars or rare vintage cars, we are one of the few places in the area that customers feel very comfortable bringing their cars in and getting those things done. Especially, early in the year, getting it out of storage, want to make sure everything's good to go for the car show season. Today we got a 66 Malibu in here that the guy is just getting back out, getting back on the road, and wanted to get it aligned to make sure everything was good after his restoration work. So if you have a vehicle like that, you're not quite sure where to take it, you want to put it in trustworthy hands, 3D Auto Repair is your place. My name is Dan. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.